If your Windows 11 laptop is overheating, running hot or sounding like a jet engine, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you a super simple fix that can cool things down fast. First, click on the Windows search icon, type Control Panel. Click on it to open it, and make sure the items are viewed by small icons. Once you are in, click on the power options. Next, look for your currently selected power plan, whether it's balanced or high performance, and click on change plan settings. Then you click on change advanced power settings. In the new window, scroll down and then expand processor power management. Again, click to expand maximum processor state. By default, it's probably set to 100%. All you need to do is to change it to 99% for both on battery and plugged in. This disables the table boost, which is a feature that pushes your CPU to work harder and get hotter. Next, click on System Cooling Policy under Processor Power Management. Click to expand. On battery, change from passive to active. Then you click on Apply. If your System Cooling Policy option is missing from here, follow this step to activate it. Click on the Windows search icon and type regedit. Click on it to open it. Click Yes. Now, under H key local machine, click on it to expand it. Next, expand System. Under System, expand CurrentControlSet. Next, expand Control under CurrentControlSet. Scroll down and then find Power. Once you find it, expand it. Next, expand Power Settings under Power. Then you expand the folder that starts with 545335251. After expanding this one, scroll through and then find the folder with the name 94D3A615. And then from the right pane, double click on Attributes. You will see the value data set to 1. Change it from 1 to 2. Then you click OK. Once you are done, head back to the power options. You will now see the System Cooling Policy option available. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. And I will leave the path to this registry section in the description so that you can easily copy and then paste inside the registry editor. That's it for today. If this tip helped you, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple PC fixes like this one. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.